I'm Alan Joyce, founder of 123 Code, and step by step we're teaching kids and young adults about coding and robotics. Parents and teachers are very keen for their children to learn coding, but they don't know where to start. Take Emma, she's 13, loves reading, art and solving puzzles. Emma's dad hears that there's going to be lots of tech jobs in the future. Emma's teacher wants to teach coding but has no training and doesn't know where to find lessons. Emma's librarian wants her library to offer coding lessons to their young members. 123 Code is an online coding and robotics learning platform where parents can enroll their kids in our coding club and receive a weekly pack of projects and lessons. Teachers can get training in how to teach coding and student courses to use in the classroom. And libraries can set up automated coding clubs where their young members can instantly access lessons and start learning to code. Whichever way Emma joins our platform, she'll start learning coding and robotics step by step. Our business model is that schools and libraries purchase teacher and student licenses, and parents pay a monthly subscription fee for their child's membership of our coding club. To date, we've operated in the Irish market, where our research shows a service obtainable market of €2 million. We're going to go global, starting in the UK, where the SOM is 28 million, and the US with a SOM of 226 million. We believe every school, library and parent in the world is a potential customer. There are a number of competitors in the market. However, they often don't offer teacher training or allow kids to work independently, which is a key feature for parents and teachers. Our platform has these, as well as learning gamification, live online classes and a school award program. Parents, schools and libraries all want their children to learn coding. Governments, tech companies and increasingly all companies want more engineers. This is a feast, not a famine. To date, over 850 schools have signed up on our platform. That's 1 in every 5 in Ireland. Over 30 libraries are using us, and that's 1 in every 10 in Ireland. And over 200 parents have paid a monthly subscription for their kids to be in our coding club. That all adds up to over €110,000 in revenue to date and 14,000 completed coding lessons by kids like Emma. I'm Alan Joyce, founder of 123 Code, and I love technology and teaching kids about it. Previously, I was the co-founder of Engine Solutions, a software development company who I was with for 13 years. I've been teaching coding and robotics since 2016, and I built our learning platform in 2020. I get great advice from my brother Gavin, who was one of the first employees at Intercom, and is the co-founder of Video, a SaaS company doing amazing things in the sales space. We've heard from the kids on our platform. They love coding. They love the problem solving, creativity, imagination and possibilities. So get your kids coding. Get 20% off for you, your local school or library. Thank you.